Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Wintrust Financial Bank, more specifically how you can order checks for your Wintrust bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else such as a bank statement that has your Wintrust Financial Bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Wintrust Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, Wintrust.com. You can also check the description for a link to Wintrust Financial Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be by logging on to your Wintrust Bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the login button, which is located towards the top in the middle of the screen. It has the little lock icon. So you'll click on that login button, and then you'll click on go to account login. That'll then bring you to this screen where you can enter your user ID and your password and then click log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos and that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Wintrust. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Wintrust debit card, and it's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look at the Contact Us page for the Wintrust Bank website, which as you can see there's a link right there that says Contact Us, but sometimes that phone number is not so straightforward. So if you happen to know of other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way that you can order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Wintrust Financial. I already have a tab open and I've already typed in order replacement checks for Wintrust Financial, and what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Some examples would be Checks Unlimited and Bradford Exchange Checks. Both of those are pretty popular websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comment section. Ordering checks through a third-party vendor is also where your voided check or your bank statement will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Wintrust Financial Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Wintrust website or through the customer service number, those numbers will not automatically be loaded and you'll need to provide them yourself. And you'll want to make sure that you enter them 100% accurately. That way you don't have to worry about bounced checks or anything like that due to an incorrect number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please check out the description for more information about Wintrust Financial.